The video opens with a title card reading Birchwoods Remodel against red graphic panels. A walking tour of the remodeled facility follows.
So we're almost done remodeling the Birchwoods Center and excited to bring in electromechanical technology, industrial mechanical technology, and welding into the building.
On-screen text adds fabrication and forestry equipment maintenance to the list of programs taught at the center.
So we're excited to bring in a lot of new equipment into our labs for this remodel. And the one thing that's exciting is that it's going to be equipment that's being used in industry by our district employers. So we're really excited to have students all under one roof from the various programs, being able to collaborate with one another, being able to, as you look around, being able to see into those different spaces and those work areas.
A spacious workshop features a yellow overhead bridge crane spanning the room above industrial equipment.
And being able to just see the various disciplines, the professions, the programs, and what's involved in this industry.
The Nicolet College logo appears, a gold circle with a white oak leaf, and nicoletcollege.edu below.